Did you know that you doesn't need to spend a lot of money on paid ads if you have done your on-page SEO very well? So today's lesson is the most important fundamental of SEO, and that is lesson number 4, on-page SEO. On-page SEO is under your control, unlike the off-page SEO. You need to optimize content and whatever is on the page on your website that will cover an on-page SEO. The very first thing you will do under on-page SEO is keyword research. You have to choose one main keyword and other related keywords. For example, the main keyword is Basic On-Page SEO, and related keywords are on-page SEO techniques, SEO basics. These are related keywords. I have covered the keyword research in my lesson number 2. There is a separate lesson created already on keyword research. You can go through that. I will share the link in the description. After keyword research, I will discuss with you total 9 components which are required to be checked during on-page SEO. The first one is keyword research, and second one is SEO title tag. Title tag is the most important SEO factor. It should be under 60 characters. It should be enriched with main keywords, and it should attract the users. The third component under on-page SEO is meta description. Meta description must be under 160 characters, and it should be an eye-catchy, as you are representing your product or services, and it will affect your click-through rate. It must be like you are writing an ad. As I am making this video on on-page SEO, so my description will be: learn basic on-page SEO techniques to improve your website rankings on Google. That's it. Now let's move to the fourth component, which is URL structure. URL structure must be short, clean, and keyword rich. For example, website.com/page123 is a wrong URL structure. Rather than, you can use website.com/basic-on-page-SEO. That is the correct one. Now the next component is heading tags. H1, H2, H3. These are the heading tags. Use one main title for H1 tag and H2, H3 for subtopics. Use keywords naturally so that you can structure your content with these H1, H2, H3 tags, and this will be useful to read by Google algorithms. And sixth component under on-page SEO is quality content. Content must be easy to read, useful, and it must be keyword enriched, stuffed with the keywords naturally. I will make a separate lesson number 6, on content optimization. So stay updated. Seventh component under on-page SEO is image optimization. Images make your content engaging, and under image optimization you need to check few points like image alt text. Use compressed images for faster loading. Use descriptive file names. Now the eighth component under on-page SEO is internal and external linking. Internal linking means you need to link your content to your website's other pages, which user might find useful if they are going to click those links. Internal linking means your website need to link the high authority websites and like Wikipedia, like anything where user can find useful information related to that content. The last component under on-page SEO is mobile and page speed. Google prefer faster websites and they are going to rank higher. Responsive design must be there. User-friendly design must be there, and images must be compressed to smaller size so that your website load faster than your competitors. So by implementing all these strategies, you must have an edge from your competitors. If you found this video useful, please hit like button and don't forget to subscribe Digital Dynamo Rohit for SEO and digital marketing. If you have any query related to on-page SEO, please comment below and I will get back to you. Thank you for watching the video till last. Have a nice day.